Hi guys, my name is Ali and I am a lifelong investor. I have been investing in the stock market since 2002, real estate since 2010, option trading since 2015, and crypto since 2018. This video is part of a larger series on the US stock market. It is going to be approximately a 30 to 50 hour course. Okay. The course overall is designed to help you generate a consistent cash flow from the US stock market to help you gain financial freedom for your future. Before we dive in, a small disclaimer. The material is distributed for general information, educational, and entertainment purposes only, and it does not intended to constitute legal, tax, accounting, or investment advice. All the material is prepared from public and private sources that we believe to be reliable. There is no warranty stated or implied to the accuracy of the information, and we have no liability to the accuracy or completeness of this information. The opinion and views have not been tailored for investment objectives of any individual and are current only as of today's date and can change without any prior notice. We do not have any obligation to provide revised opinions on any future changes that happen. All investment strategies and investments involve risk. Sometimes you can lose 100%, sometimes you can lose even more, depending on margin, leverage, etc. Nothing contained herein should be construed as investment advice. Any reference to an investment past or potential performance is not and should not be construed as a recommendation or a guarantee to any profits in the future. Any idea or strategy discussed herein should not be undertaken by any individual without prior consultation with a financial professional and advisor for the purpose of assessing whether the ideas or strategies that are discussed are suitable to you based on your personal financial objectives, needs, and risk tolerance. Omega Income expressly disclaims any liability or losses incurred by any person who acts on this information, ideas, or strategies discussed herein. The information contained is not, should not be used as a recommendation to invest into the stock market, buy or sell any security or instrument. We will not buy or sell any instrument or securities to you herein. Okay? About Omega Income. So our primary focus is to empower investors to consistently generate positive cash flow week after week, month over month, year over year. Our belief is that if you are able to generate a consistent cash flow, you will always be able to recover 100% of your investment over time. And if you have the ability to reinvest the cash flow generated, then you can take the power of the compounding to exponentially increase your returns. Okay? A little bit about me. I'm the founder, and so I'm a seasoned investor who believes in empowering the do-it-yourself investor to engage more with their finances. And once again, I have been investing in the stock market since 2002, real estate since 2010, options since 2015, and crypto since 2018. I have a degree in accounting. I have specialized my career in financial services, and I have worked at and serviced various banks on Wall Street, including JP Morgan, Credit Suisse, Goldman Sachs, various pension providers, Fidelity Investments, SEI Investments, family offices, and multiple places in the financial services industry over my, I guess now 15, 18 plus years in the industry. Okay. So the overall topics that we are going to cover in this course. So first off, I highly recommend that you subscribe, like, comment, share. This page, bookmark it, save it. So when there are updates that are released, you will be notified about them, and you will overall be able to follow the course. I highly recommend the subscribers to ask questions, leave comments, so that way I can include the information in the future videos. Okay. Um, So overall, the topics that we're going to cover is going to be the stock market basics. What is a stock market? What are various instrument types? What are various account types, right? How do you get access to it? Uh, what are some of the things you need prior to? Okay. The next topic is going to be the Thinkorswim platform. So Thinkorswim is the broker, is the application that I use to trade. Thinkorswim is owned by TD Ameritrade. I personally love Thinkorswim. It has a lot of amazing functionality when it comes to customization, automation, scripting, automated trading, and the like. So we're going to be going over that entire application, in all the different screens and all the different functionalities that I have configured. The next three pieces are going to be my favorite pieces, which is called technical analysis. I personally, consider myself a technical trader, um, and I have been studying technical analysis for, well over 4, 5+ years. Um, Most of my trades that are generated are, are taken based on what I see in the technical analysis, what I see in the charts. um, I consider technical analysis and overall chart reading as something that is emotionless, right? Opinionless. So, it is what it is, and there is no someone's thought process behind it. It's simply as, hey, this is what the chart is saying, and are you going to follow what the chart is saying, or are you going to go against it? Um, and sometimes everyone does make mistakes. You're not 100% right, and reading the chart accurately. But you'll notice over time, the more time you spend in this, that you will be able to read it more efficiently. And for that, what I have personally done for myself is broken it out into three different pieces. Okay. One is technical analysis above the line, one is technical analysis below the line, and the third is technical analysis exotics. So we'll go into detail on that, but just to kind of maybe quickly show you. So for instance, this is my NASDAQ weekly chart. I'm going to just remove some of these guys here. So items that are above this line, right above this line right here, I consider above the line technical analysis. Items that are below the line, so below this separator right here, are items that I consider to be below the line technical analysis. And then the combination of everything, along with certain other, features, right, that we'll discuss, very in depth, I consider those to be the exotics. Okay. So this overall is going to be the brief overall view of the course. And as the weeks go on, we will be going in depth into these topics. Thank you so much for your time.